I like breaking my razor blades into two, just like this. Hey guys, you're very much welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're just stopping right here for the very first time, hello, you're very much welcome. It's your favorite baby girl, Mimi. So if you're just stopping right here, please click on the subscribe button down below, please, and please don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you get a ding dong whenever I drop a new video. As for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for checking up on me again. Well, today's video is just gonna be about how to shave or how to carve your eyebrows. Without a perfect eyebrows already shaved, you cannot get a perfect eyebrow. So without further ado, we are just gonna dive right into this video. Welcome back. So guys, the first thing we'll be needing today is a razor blade. This blade is new, so you don't want to use something that has been used before or something that is blunt. You might end up injuring yourself. The second thing is our bristle brush. Well, we are going to use this brush because we'll be needing this brush to like brush your eyebrows and then know where to cut out from. Okay, I decided to use a brush from my mascara. Okay, this is my mascara and this is the brush on top. So these are the major things we'll be needing today. So the first thing we are going to do to this razor blade, normally I like breaking my razor blades into two, just like this. You see that? Just break it into two. As a beginner, you might want to break your razor blade like this, giving us two equal parts, like this and like this. You can use this one, dispose it, and then you can use this one another day. So that's the reason I like breaking my razor blade, because it saves one part for me, and also it makes it easy to like cut your brows or to like shave your brows. Okay, so the first thing we'll have to do today is you need to get a mirror in front of you. So I'm going to bring a mirror. So guys, I've gotten my mirror and this is my mirror. So what you do with this brush is to brush your brows. I might be looking here because there's a mirror here. This is where my mirror is. So if I use the screen, I might not get it correctly. So let me just use my mirror. You have to brush your eyebrows. You don't just shave like that. You need to brush it very well. And then you take your razor blade very carefully. Make sure you don't hurt yourself. Make sure you don't injure yourself. So you take it very carefully and then cut from the top. I would say cut the hair that is very long. Okay, cut out the hair that is outgrown or the one that is very long, just the way I'm doing now, very carefully. You know, this razor blade is very sharp, so you don't want to hurt yourself, so cut it very carefully, just like this. We've gotten that shape. As you can see, when you're about shaving from the other side, you have to slant your razor blade like this. I hope you can see, like this, and then you cut out. Wow, it's coming so beautiful. Make sure you don't hurt yourself, please. Like this, very carefully. I'm sure you can see it. It has that curve right now, or that slant, or that arc. So you have to do it the same thing with the down. The down, you need to cut out the place that is, oh, I'm sweating right now. There's no light, so I'm kind of feeling heat. So you just shave like this, downwards. Can you see? Like this. Yeah, I'm sure you can see. Then you go over to the end, do the same thing. Yeah, like that. Then you create a line like this.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
You have to take your time. It's not something you do rush. No, when you want to shave your brows, you take your time and shave it. Okay, like this. You can do it. It's very, very easy. It needs focus and to be very careful. Yeah, we are done. That's it. So simple, just like that. We are done with the first brow. So simple. So let's go back to the next one. You do the same thing, the same process. So you do the same thing, you cut away the outgrown hair.
So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting.
So guys, we are literally done with our brows. As you can see, it's so perfect and it's fine. It's beautifully carved, no injury, no blood, as you can see.
I can tell you.
So that's how you should carve your brows. You shouldn't just go ahead start carving. You need to be very careful. You need to carve line by line. As you can see, I started from here and then I stopped here. At a point I started cutting from here. Yeah, so you get that perfect arc like this, you know, that arc. I know you understand what I'm trying to say. So guys, that's basically it. If you did like this video, if you did learn something, please put it down in the comment section. Don't forget to drop comments, subscribe, please guys, share to anyone who needs this. Someone might be in need of this info. Please share to the person, and please don't forget to turn on your post notification when you subscribe, so you get notified each time I drop a new video. Each time a new video drops like a banger, you know what that means. So without further ado, let's just see right in my next video. Catch you.
So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways.